This is the elevator at CSKA metro station in Moscow, -3. Capacity 1,000 kilograms, 13 persons, stall 1,016. This thing is quite busy because this ticket hall is near the Avia Park shopping center. I'm gonna get a cab in case it gets busy. Basic piece of shit. Craptis, Crap2, Fixtures, Resista. Well, I mean Lumina. Back up to 1. Cab view, once again. And I'm glad to get this ride by myself. It's very slow. For the station, it's deep. Yeah, wash our clothes. There it goes, and that's it, motherfucking Otis.